The PLANET Walk Rollator Walker features an innovative dual folding mechanism, making it incredibly easy to compact and store, perfect for travel or navigating tight spaces. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, this rollator is exceptionally lightweight at only 16 pounds, providing ease of transport without sacrificing durability. With a robust frame capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, this walker offers solid stability and a built-in seat for resting, ensuring safety and comfort for all users. Its 8-inch all-terrain wheels with anti-skid treads allow for smooth movement on various surfaces, and the 360-degree rotating front casters enhance maneuverability in confined areas. The rollator offers customizable comfort with 6 levels of handle height adjustment, ergonomic foam handles, and an intuitive braking system for user-friendly control. Equipped with convenient accessories like a cup holder, cane holder, and removable storage bag, this walker is designed for practicality and ease during daily activities.